Hey everyone, it's Extreme Crypto here. So it's been a week since I got into Seekcoin with my strategy building my own ecosystem inside of Seekcoin. Now, what did we start doing? We started by buying some coins to have. We funded the rewards chain and it's giving us a daily percentage of 1%. And we got into Seekgold. Now, the current strategy is taking all our profits from Seek Rewards, putting it into Seekgold, and the profits from Seekgold, we're going to keep on buying coins while the coins are on pre-sale. With the unique tokenomics of this coin, I want to gather as much as I can. As you can see, the coin supply is 200 million. Reserved for the exchange is 100 million. Reserved for founders, 25 million. Reserved for pre-sale is 50 million. Reserved for promotions is 25 million. Tax on transactions, 15%. And this is where it's important. Distributed to all token holders is 5%. That means if you hold tokens according to the amount you hold of each taxed transaction, you get a share of the 5%. They'll be burning coins 5% each transaction until there's only 50 million tokens left. And then 5% is devoted to the Seek Reward smart contract. So this coin has a usage. It will be feeding the Seek Rewards, making sure with the Seek Rewards ecosystem on its own, it's not dependent on people coming in. It is sustainable by itself with the ecosystem they've already built it, feeding this platform. Now let's go to Seek Rewards and let's see how much profit I've made. Currently, the total income for this week is $57. So let's take out the $57. Boom. Give it a few seconds to refresh. And then we'll use this $57 and we'll go to Seekgold and put it in the Seekgold contract. Transaction successful. Just reconnect. Make sure it's all out. Second or two. Update. Here we can see income withdrawn to wallet. We've withdrawn our first income. Now let's go to Seekgold. Now Seekgold is currently standing on $25 worth. Got 423 Seekgold credits. Dividends, only 5 cents this, but I'm fine. The reason why I want to fund my Seekgold is due to the fact that you're not locked in. You can take out your funds at any time. Buying credits is a 10% dividend distribution between everyone in it. The current dollar price is 7 cents. I read last night, it has gone up to as high as 17 cents already. And if you sell, this is 7% dividends distribution again. And the current price to sell is 5 cents. The reason why the buy price is higher than the sell price is to keep people in the contract, because the longer you hold, the more profit you'll make. So let's see the amount of BNB this wallet is generated just for Seekgold. Now I'll keep 0.01 BNB all time. So let's put in 0.12. Put in 0.12 BNB. I'll get another 496 tokens. Buy the credits. Just wait for the transaction. Why is it? Right, it seems like it's saying yes, 454 credits. We go. I've used my funds and I funded my Seekgold club now. We'll just wait for it to update I should have close to 900 tokens now. The more tokens you have, the bigger your share of the dividends distribution is. Here we go, 877 tokens. Now, currently, I don't have enough dividends to buy more Seek tokens or Seek coins, so I'll let it stand over until next week. Next week, we'll do another updated video as we keep on building this ecosystem. Leave me your thoughts, concerns down below and let me know what do you think. The links to this will be down there as well. Remember, Seek rewards 1% daily. Your funds are locked in. Seekgold, it's basically a wallet. As funds come in and out, you get dividends. And your funds are available at any time. And the Seekcoin pre-sale is still live. I'm gonna gather up as much coins as I can. Make sure when the pre-sale is all over, I'm gonna get rewards from my coins as transactions gets taxed, and I'll feed my Seek rewards into my Seekgold and benefit from there. Have a great one. Take care.